Hey there, tech enthusiasts. It's Andy with MrYouWho, and today we're diving into the world of high fidelity sound with the JBL Live Flex, as you can see just here. Now guys, these aren't just any earbuds. They're a game changer in open ear, true adaptive noise cancelling technology. They're designed for all day comfort and premium listening experiences. And the best part, they're built to keep pace with your life, thanks to impressive 40-hour battery life and QI wireless charging. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes these earbuds a must-have for any audiophile. So we'll start by doing an unboxing so you can actually see what comes in the box with these. So we'll open up the box, take it out, show you exactly what you're getting when you purchase them. Then we'll go out and we'll actually test them, show them out live and about so you guys can actually see what they're like and make your decision about buying these great earbuds. And also, if you're earning money and creating your financial freedom, check out our other channel, Freedom Hours. We provide advice, how-tos and tutorials on helping you create your own businesses. There's a link just there, guys, and we really hope to bring you on that journey. Now let's jump into the video. And if you can like the video, subscribe, click the notification button, and click on the links below if you wish to purchase. All that does support our channel, guys. It really does help. Now let's jump into here at MrYouWho.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to.
Let's now do the unboxing of the JBL Live Flex. And as you can see, there's the box just there. Some of the key features of it as well. Adaptive noise cancelling, perfect for calls. And we take it across, and there are the earbuds. Now, don't they look nice? And you can already see these are JBL's premium earbuds range. Choose your earbuds wireless range we had earlier. So let's go and take a look at the box and pop open and see what it comes with. So to start with, there's the case. Now again, it's got the lovely JBL pebble shape, which you can see there. This is QI compatible, which means you can actually use this for wireless charging, and you get a good 24 hours in the case as well with battery life, which is really good. Now, if we go and have a look and see what comes else in here. Now, here's the earbuds, just here. Now, these are the open stick design. So if you look at the Choose Your Earbuds video, which I'll show you up here on my other channel, MrYouWho, it kind of goes through which one these are. But these sit in the ears like that. So here are the earbuds just here. Now again, these are touch control as well. So you can touch each one. So the right, you can change tracks, change songs. And the left, you can use the noise cancelling and ambient aware. Now, these have adaptive noise cancelling, which means they actually will adapt to noise around you. And these actually have very good noise cancelling, as I'll show you in a video later. So these are magnetic as well. So you pop them in there just like that. And you can see they start charging straight away. So yeah, there you've got the charging indicator just there as well, which is very useful. And these are also Bluetooth 5.3 as well. So you get a very, very stable Bluetooth connection. And they're also IP54 rated too, which is great. Now, we'll go back and have a look at the earbuds in more detail. So these each have 6 mics in the earbuds. So 6 mics means they're very good to pick up for, video calls and when you're speaking to people out and about. And there's the speaker just there as well. So they fit very well in the ears. Now, one thing about these as well is they have Personi-Fi 2.0, which basically it optimizes the audio experience based on your unique hearing profile, which is really good. You can also set that up in the JBL app, which these come with. And these also have 12mm neodymium speakers, which are perfectly tuned for high fidelity music, which is great. And these also come with JBL Spatial sound as well. Now, Spatial sound means you're getting that excellent kind of sound quality when you're out and about. So these are very, very good. Again, IP54 certified, dust rated, up to 40 hours of playtime, and they do sound really good. So. Now, the JBL Live Flex brings to the table an incredible mix of technology and design. So IP54 certified for dustproof and waterproof capabilities. These earbuds are your perfect companion, whether you're at work, taking a stroll, or just enjoying some downtime. And MrYouWho does love his downtime. The JBL Spatial audio feature also is fantastic. It will wrap you in your favorite tunes, offering a truly immersive listening experience. And the JBL Spatial audio is actually quite unique to these as well. Not all the JBL earbuds have them. But that's not all. The JBL Live Flex stands out with its JBL signature sound and Personi-Fi 2.0. Now, the 12mm drivers here, the neodymium speaker drivers, are tuned to deliver deep bass and a vibrant sound profile. With the Personi-Fi 2.0, you can tailor your listening experience to your unique hearing profile, ensuring every beat and note is heard just as intended. It really, really is good. Now, what sets these earbuds apart? Well, the true adaptive noise cancelling is a fantastic feature. So this feature ensures when you put them on your ears that your calls and music are free from distractions, adapting in real time to your surroundings. So imagine being cocooned in your music world no matter where you are. So you're on a busy road, these earbuds will actually adapt to a busy road. Or if you're in a concert or if you're out in the street, they adapt as you're walking around. It's perfect. What about battery life? Well, the JBL Live Flex won't let you down with up to 8 hours of power in the earbuds and additional 32 hours in the case. So these earbuds are designed for long listening sessions. And if you're in a hurry, just 15 minutes of wireless charging will get these an extra 4 hours of playtime. They work very, very well. And the great thing is because they sit just outside the ears, you don't get a lot of headaches from using them as well. You can use them long term. Call clarity is also a top notch with the JBL Live Flex, thanks to its 6 beaming 4 mics on each earbud. So your voice comes through crystal clear, ensuring perfect calls every time without any background noise. And guys, I actually tested this on a bridge with busy traffic. No one could hear me as well. Connectivity is also a breeze with the Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a stable, secure connection for seamless wireless streaming. And for those who juggle multiple devices, the multi-point connection, which these have, is a real lifesaver, allowing you to switch between different devices. You can just move between each one. Now, great thing is control, guys, as well, is at your fingertips. So with touch and voice control, accessing the JBL Live Flex feature is easy. You can change songs by pressing here and pressing there. You can also put on your noise cancellation, ambient aware by pressing over here as well. And for those that love voice assistants, you've also got Google and Alexa are just a word away as well. So they work really well. Again, these use a JBL headphone app as well. Put you in a driver's seat so you can customize the ANC, the earbud behavior, create a personalized hearing profile with Personi-Fi 2.0. It's all about making these earbuds truly yours. And these are the top of the JBL range as well. We did choose your JBL earbuds previously, and the JBL Live Flex at the top of that as well. So check out that video too. Let's dive deeper into the sonic universe with the JBL Live Flex. So these earbuds are not just about sound, they're a symphony of comfort and convenience. So right off the bat, you'll notice how effortlessly they fit into your ears. So they sit here just like that. Designed for all day wear, the JBL Live Flex makes it easy to enjoy your favorite tracks, whether you're working out, at the gym, or hustling through your daily commute. And as you guys know, MrYouWho loves going to the gym. I find it fantastic. These earbuds through a variety of genres. So rock, hip hop, dance, and let me tell you, the JBL Live Flex didn't just perform, they excelled. Rock tracks were delivered with gritty, raw energy, each guitar riff and drum solo pulsating with life. When it comes to hip hop, the deep bass was a standout, giving these beats a rich, full-bodied sound. And dance music, well guys, MrYouWho loves going to club, and it was just like being in a club. The earbuds created an immersive, vibrant atmosphere that really got my feet tapping. It was really, really good. And I think because, as I said, they sit outside the ears, you don't get the headaches that you do with a lot of other earbuds as well. They're really good. Again, the controls were a breeze. With intuitive button presses on each, I could easily navigate through tracks, adjust the volume, and even toggle the noise cancellation features. The level of control meant I could stay in my audio zone the whole time without having to constantly reach for my phone. And guys, we don't want to be reaching for our phone with earbuds. So how do these work in real life scenarios? Well guys, as you guys go, MrYouWho loves fitness, took the JBL Live Flex to the gym and out into town to see how they'd hold up. At the gym, their snug fit meant they stayed put through every jog, lift and stretch. The IP54 water and dust resistance came in handy, protecting the earbuds from sweat and the elements. And out and about, the truly adaptive noise cancelling proved its worth, cutting through the din of the city and letting me focus on the noise. You know, they really are good. Very, very classy pair of earbuds, and you can tell why JBL have put this at the top of the choose your earbud range. They really do work well. So in conclusion, the JBL Live Flex earbuds are a true game changer. They offer a perfect blend of comfort, control, and an exceptional sound across all music genres. Whether you're at the gym, on a run, or just relaxing, these earbuds are built to deliver an unparalleled audio experience. So guys, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of superior sound with the JBL Live Flex, and don't forget to check out the links below if you want to purchase and if you love these as well. Now, this is the last earbud video I've done of the Choose Your JBL earbud range. So there's 9 earbuds that I actually reviewed in that. Check out the video, but also check out each of the individual earbud videos as well. And guys, if you're not sure which one that you were to choose, you out to me, ask me a question. I'm more than happy to give you some advice, because it all does depend on what you actually want to do with your earbuds. Anyway, been so excited to review these here with you here today, and make sure you reach out and let us know. Thanks for joining us here at Andy at MrYouWho.